Hello everyone, my name is Adonis S. Impong and I am taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Biological Science. Today I will be going to discuss my tree planting project proposal entitled One Person, One Tree. So why do I come up with this project? When I think about a project that would help our community, only one thing crosses my mind, and that is plant more trees. Here in our area, the most prominent issue is flooding, especially when heavy rain occurs. Residents here affirm that this problem is linked to frequent deforestation. Due to this, our area is perpetually flooded as we lack trees that absorb water to keep our roadways from overflowing. I believe it is important to solve this problem and initiate a program like the One Person One Tree program, because all of us are affected here and left us no choice but to feel devastated all the time. To alleviate this situation and live peacefully during rainy days, the One Person One Tree program is a helpful initiative to add trees to our community. Trees absorb water, therefore it would be beneficial, and our neighborhood was filled with trees. With this program, each community member is required to come together and collectively plant one tree per person on April 1, 2022. Although it might take time to effect this program, it is created to lessen the problem and will not persist in the near future. We will help our barangay captain to encourage everybody to plant trees so that we will solve this problem. But the question is, how can a tree help prevent flooding? Given that more trees absorb and store precipitation, it would be ideal if our town were densely forested to reduce floods, runoff, and sediment deposits flowing following storms. By planting trees, we can lessen the issue. No matter how heavy the rain is, we no longer have to worry. It will be effective because it is one way of solving this problem, and it cannot be done without the help of barangay officials. The tools that we will need in this project include pruning shears, spading fork, shovel, loopers, knife, spade, cultivator, tape measure, and a lot of more. So, how are we going to execute it? The first step will be to conduct a soil analysis to determine the quality of the soil in our location and to ascertain whether plants will thrive in the soil so we have here. Next is composting. It is a decomposing of natural ingredients to create a product to enhance soil quality. Thirdly, we will track the sun to ensure that the location where we will be planting trees is accessible to the sun's rays. Then followed by seed saving, then container gardening, and lastly plant propagation. So the expected outcome of this project is to increase people's lifetime in our community value by 90%, reduce flooding by 85% by the end of 2030, and increase 1 month retention by 2025. This project is indeed wonderful, especially for the betterment of our community. I believe you must improve a solution. I believe you must provide a solution rather than alternatives, because when you give a solution, it will be a permanent solution for our community, and the alternatives will not last, and it will give worse when the time comes. With the help of our barangay officials and people in our community and allocating funds for this problem, I know it will happen. Thank you.